Hello everyone, myself Om Sai, and I will be presenting my project on online news popularity prediction. Coming to the introduction, we all know that online news has become an integral part of our daily lives, thanks to the instantaneous spread of information through the internet. The internet has made it possible for people to access news instantaneously from anywhere in the world. Online news is more convenient and accessible compared to the traditional print media, as it can be accessed through various devices, allowing people to stay up to date with latest news anytime, anywhere in the world. There has been a massive increase in the production of news articles, resulting in high competition among online news portals to capture readership. Predicting the popularity of online news articles has become an interesting and meaningful area of research. This is because predicting the popularity of news articles is valuable to content providers and advertisers. Now, coming to the goals of the project, our main goal is to predict the number of shares of an article. For any article, number of shares is a crucial metric for measuring its popularity. This is because based on the shares that an article gets, we can estimate its reach and popularity among people. So the articles with more shares will be having high popularity. So in this project, we'll be predicting the number of shares that an article can get by using various features like articles category, articles headline, content, publication time, and sentiment, and many more. We'll also be exploring the relation between these features and popularity of the article. By using various machine learning algorithms, we are going to analyze these features to predict the number of shares. The results of this project will be useful for online news outlets to understand their readers' preferences better and create content that is more likely to be shared on social media platforms. The insights gained from this project can help online news outlets to create more engaging and shareable content that resonates with their target audience, thereby standing ahead of the competition. Coming to the data that we have used in this project, this dataset is taken from UCI Machine Learning Repository and consists of around 40,000 news articles. These news articles are scraped from an online news portal called Mashable for over 2 years of time. This dataset consists of around 61 attributes, of which number of shares the target variable. Before performing the model, the dataset needs to be pre-processed and cleaned to make it ready for further analysis. Here, to clean this dataset, several pre-processing techniques were used. These data cleaning methods include handling null values, data scaling, data normalization, outlier treatment, and feature engineering. After performing these operations, the dataset is now clean and ready to use. And this is the dataset that we have got after cleaning the above raw data. This dataset is properly scaled and normalized, which is perfectly which is perfect for modeling. Now, moving forward with the technical results and conclusions of the project. In this project, we have analyzed the given online news data and was able to observe some interesting patterns that are good that good articles do have in common. The first technique we have used is clustering. Clustering of the article idea was major novelty in this project. It is allowed us to be able to group similar articles together and thereby deploying machine learning models on those clusters. Generally, without clustering, the best result from other similar works was around 68% using random forest. But by using clustering, we have achieved higher accuracy, that is 75%. So results from clustering the data suggest that the data is clustered into two clusters. From this, we can infer that the articles are divided into two classes, that is popular and unpopular. One of the surprising finding is that for the remaining models also, the accuracy is increasing after clustering the data into two groups. Moving forward, now we have the results of decision tree. From the results of decision tree, we can get what are the important features that are affecting the popularity of articles. From the above results, it is observed that global subjectivity, which is subjectivity of the article, number of hrefs, that is number of hyperlinks, number of images, average negative polarity, and average positive polarity as some of the important features that are affecting the number of shares of an article. So by properly maintaining these features, we can achieve high popularity and high number of shares for any articles. Moving forward to the next analysis. Now we have support vector mission. Yeah, some interesting results about the number of images and number of hyperlinks were found from SVM. These results include articles should have good amount of images, but not more. Between 1 to 40 images is great. The articles which are having 1 to 40 images will get high popularity compared to the articles which are having more than 40. Articles referencing popular articles have higher chance of improving their own popularity. Here, we all know that the articles which has hyperlinks to other popular articles will be more popular. From the plot, we can see that by increasing the number of images, we can see that the popularity of the articles is decreasing. That is, the number of unpopular articles are increasing. By this, we can suggest that it is optimal to have 40 less than 40 images for an article. Here, the articles are getting more shares which are referencing to other articles. Moving forward to the next analysis, here we have analyzed the popularity of articles based on day they are posted. Articles which are posted on weekdays are getting more popularity compared to articles posted on weekends. There could be many reasons behind these results. Maybe many people are not spending time to read articles on weekends. Now, coming to the popularity of articles based on the category of the article, in this data, we are having different data channel categories like lifestyle, entertainment, business, social media, technology, and world. It is observed that articles belonging to business and entertainment channels are getting more popularity comparing to other channels. Coming next, yeah, articles related to technology are also getting more popularity, but yeah, we can nowadays, since technology is improving, most people are moving towards improving the technical knowledge. So we can say that articles related to technology are also can also have more shares. So from the above analysis, we can infer that it is best to write articles about business, entertainment, technology, and post them on weekdays. Yeah. Here, these are the results that we got from association rule mining. Here we obtained several results based on the association rules that are generated by taking few shares as output. Here we mainly concentrated on what are the we mainly concentrated on what are the main reasons behind getting less shares. From the results obtained, it is observed that low positive polarity, very few images, very low subjectivity, short titles, and very low positive polarity have the lowest number of shares. These rules suggest that these factors contribute to lower likelihood of an article being shared widely. And these shares are slightly improved if the subjectivity is increased and polarity is positive. So the articles which are having high subjectivity and the articles which are having the polarity as positive are getting more number of shares. Coming to the remaining important findings of our other models, these are some of the potential results that may affect the popularity of article. Here, the number of words in the article should be less than 1500 words. See, it's like the more the content in the article, the more people will feel bored to read that. So the lesser the number of words is better. Article's title shouldn't be too long or too short. 16 to 17 words is ideal number of words to have for the titles. Also, having a couple of videos is good since people may feel better to see visual content. Articles that talk about current trending topics to have higher popularity. We all know that if you take for an example Russia-Ukraine war, articles which post news about these trending topics will be having more popularity. Finally, as said before, increasing the amount of subjectivity in the content and title will make the articles more popular. That's it. Thank you.